Hi, thanks for calling Hill Motors. I'm Lisa. I can help you check car details or availability. Which car are you interested in?
That is not a real person, it's AI. And by the end of the video, you also will be able to create the exact same agent with no code.
Hi Lisa, I'm looking for an Audi for under $15,000 with fewer than 100,000 miles and from 2020 or newer. Do you have something available?
Watch how it handles live inventory data next.
Yes, we've got a couple of Audi A4 options under $15,000 with fewer than 100,000 miles. Are you looking for a particular year or features?
Yeah, I'm looking for something with a sunroof.
There's a 2021 Audi A4 with a sunroof, 82,198 kilometers for $12,649. Would you like more details or set up a test drive?
That answer came from live inventory data with over 500 cars. It just found a match and it will book a test drive now.
Actually, I would set up a test drive.
Great. Can I get your name and a phone number for the appointment?
Yeah, my name is Ed Hill and my phone number is...
I'm about to share my number. Watch the transcript on the right. As I say every digit from 0 to 9. The AI catches each one perfectly.
0152 123 456789.
Thanks, Ed. I've noted your interest in the 2021 Audi A4 with a sunroof and request for a test drive. Is there a day or time that works best for you?
I would prefer on Monday.
Got it. Monday, test drive for the Audi A4 with sunroof. The team will call to confirm the time. Anything else you need help with today?
No, thank you very much.
You're very welcome, Ed. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
If you're new here, I'm Ed. I teach beginners and business owners how to leverage AI and AI automation inside my community AI space. Here you will learn how to build real AI automations, like voice agents, chatbots, or advanced workflows like an AI-powered nutrition coach. Let me show you exactly how this system works. It's actually just one AI prompt, one no-code workflow, and a simple Google Sheet. And we will now build it from scratch, step by step. The whole system runs on Vapi AI. It's a voice AI agent platform. If you don't have an account here yet, create one and then click here Open Dashboard. To create an AI voice agent, you click here Assistant and click here Create Assistant. You can give this assistant any name like Car Dealer Assistant and start from scratch or use one of the templates provided here. But we are starting from scratch and click here Create Assistant. And now we already got the working assistant. When I click here now Talk to Assistant.
Hello.
Hi, how are you doing?
Hi. I'm just a program, so I don't have feelings, but I'm here and ready to help.
Like you can see, we already got an AI assistant. But the problem is it's not adjusted to our use case. To do that, we need to adjust the first message and the system prompt. For that, we can go to my community and take this first message from here and paste it here. Then click Publish. When I click Now, Talk to Assistant.
Hi. Thanks for calling Hill Motors. I'm Lisa. I can help you check car details.
Like you can see, the first message already works. But for our AI agent to work properly, we need to provide a system prompt. A system prompt is used to configure the context, the role, personality, instructions, and so on for the assistant. In my community, I provided an advanced system prompt that you can simply copy and paste here. But I also provide a free simplified prompt that you can find in the description box below. When I click now Publish and then Talk to Assistant.
Hi. Thanks for calling Hill Motors. I'm Lisa. I can help you check car details or availability. Which car are you interested in?
Hi, do you have any Teslas in stock?
Could you hold on for a moment while I check that for you? Could you clarify which model or year you'd like?
Any.
I'm not sure what's in stock right now, but I can note that for a salesperson to follow up.
Like you notice, the assistant couldn't answer this question. It's normal because he has no access to the inventory list right now. But this is not normal. Look, for example, in the system prompt under System Override, Inventory Enforcement, I enforce that he cannot hallucinate. For example, if I remove this now, click Publish and Talk to Assistant and will ask the exact same question, it will hallucinate.
Hi. Thanks for calling Hill Motors. I'm Lisa. I can help you check car details or availability. Which car are you interested in?
Hi, do you have any BMWs in stock?
Sure, let me check for you. Are you looking for a specific model or year?
For any model.
Thanks. We've got a 2020 BMW X3 available. It's in stock. Would you prefer a compact SUV like that?
Like you can see, the AI made up some things now only because I removed this one little snippet here from the prompt. That's why I highly recommend to start off this AI agent with a really advanced prompt and not a simplified prompt. because here are already many guardrails and rules included that will help you to build an AI voice agent. And regarding hallucination, to reduce hallucination, you have two options. Option number one, like you saw, to have a really good system prompt. But even then, it does not guarantee you that the model does not hallucinate. The second thing you can do is to change the model itself. For example, you can choose a stronger model, like for example, the GPT-5 model. But here you have the problem, it has a much higher latency and it also costs much more compared to the GPT-4o cluster. It's faster and costs less. So basically you have to find a balance between a good model and a good system prompt to make this whole voice AI agent work good. So if you're really serious about this topic, I highly recommend to join my community, where I also show how to properly test your system prompts fully automated. But now let's connect our inventory list in Google Sheets with this AI voice agent. For that, we scroll down here and select under Tools, Cars Inventory. I will show you in a minute how to set up this tool. Then you click Publish. Now our AI agent has access to our inventory list. Let's ask our agent something about this Toyota.
Hi. Thanks for calling Hill Motors. I'm Lisa. I can help you check car details or availability. Which car are you interested in?
Hi, I'm interested in a Toyota RAV4 from 2024. Do you know how many mileage it has on it?
We've got a Toyota RAV4 from 2024 in stock, and it has 20 kilometers on it. Would you like me to note your interest for the sales team?
No, but can you tell me what you have in notes for it?
Certainly. The Toyota RAV4 from 2024 has the note, no accidents. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to know.
And you can see the AI agent could perfectly answer all questions regarding our inventory lists. I will show you now how to set up this car's inventory tool. And after that, we will make sure to change the voice to a female voice. First, you click here on Tools. Then you click here Create Tool and select Custom Tool. Give it a name like Inventory and a description that you can find in my community here. And simply paste it here. Then you scroll down here, and here under Server Settings, you need to provide the server URL. For that, we're using an AI workflow automation tool called N8N. If you don't have an account yet, click Get Started, otherwise sign in. Once you're signed in, click Create Workflow, then go to my community and download the template here. Then go back to N8N, click the three dots here and click Import from File and import this workflow. Then click Save. Next, you click here Activate and double click on this node. Then go to Production URL and copy this URL and paste it here under Server URL. Then click Save. Let's test it out quickly by clicking Assistance here. Then you scroll down here in Assistant and under Tools, remove this Cars Inventory tool and select the newly created Inventory tool and click Publish. And now let's talk to the assistant.
Hi. Thanks for calling Hill Motors. I'm Lisa. I can help you check car details or availability. Which car are you interested in?
Hi, I would like to know for the Toyota RAV4 from 2024 how many mileage it has on it.
We've got a 2024 Toyota RAV4 in stock with only 20 kilometers on it. Would you like more details or want?
And like you can see, it worked perfectly. Let me quickly explain how this whole workflow works. Our workflow starts with a webhook trigger. So it's basically this URL. This enables our inventory tool to make HTTP requests to this URL. When our webhook gets triggered from our WAPI AI agent, then it calls next the Google Sheets node here. This Google Sheets node is connected to this Google Sheets document that you can find here in the community. Here you basically have the full car inventory. So when I click here Execute Step, then it pulls the information from the Google Sheets document here. When you click here Table, you also see them all. And the output are actually 400 items. Each item is one row. Then the next node takes all these 400 items and makes them to one item, where it basically means now you have exactly one list with all the cars. And the last node just sends the information back to N8N, like you can see here. This information, then our AI agent gets back and uses the information from the system prompt and what you said to give a correct answer. By the way, if you want to set up the exact same system with this exact same Google Sheets document, then click in the Google Sheets document here on File, make a copy here, then copy this URL and change it with the existing URL here. And make sure to add your credentials by clicking Create New Credential. In another video on my channel, I show step by step how to do that. Alright, now let's set up a different voice. For that, you scroll down here and click under Voice Configuration, Voices, and select here a different voice, for example, Kylie. You click Publish and click Talk to Assistant.
Hi, thanks for calling Hill Motors.
And if you want the exact same voice like an example, you select here under Provider, 11 Labs, and click here Add Voice ID manually. Go to my community and copy this ID here, paste it here, and click Publish. Then you will have the exact same voice, like in the example. So if you're serious about this topic to learn about AI and AI automation, make sure to join my community. Here we provide you many lessons to get started quickly. I hope you like this one and see you in the next one.